Welcome to Busch Gardens Williamsburg, a theme park with great food, wildlife, learning opportunities, shows, and rides, all at the convenience of a low admission price. During the Halloween season, this park transforms into Howl-O-Scream, which is a celebration of Halloween with plenty of scare zones and haunted houses. This video will be spotlighting plenty of the interactions you'll have in the park during Howl-O-Scream, including plenty of the costume colorful characters, in addition to decorations and other cool things that you can see in the park during this season. So with that, I'll leave you with it. Please like and subscribe, guys, and enjoy the video.
Oh yeah, we're sitting in the hot dog. It must have been too low. There was two vultures circling pretty low. And we were sitting on the edge of the hot dog.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
Just sitting there watching.
He is naughty. He's like, I'm gonna get you. There's no, they don't get released.
What are you looking at?
Probably jump the damn fence. People see
In the black tank top?
in like this Mario. Look at that cake! I know! I love it! Here. What's next? Mario, what do you want?
I can't take this place anymore. Please help me get out. I can't take.
Look at the faces.
Oh, that's cool. It's Jeepers Keepers.
Hello?
She's a real blossom, to be honest with you. Oh, you're calling me like it without it. Oh, no. I was about to say, you look like Mario's friend, and I see it now, the resemblance. Did you need a cut?
Just a little bit.
I'll take a shave off.
Oh my god! Got a little bit of fingers, a little bit of teeth, and a little bit of scalp hair as well from my last.
Oh, okay, you get souvenirs.
Yes, another joking kid.
Oh, shit.
He kept running his mouth, got very annoying with it. Just
Oh, perfect.
amazing.
pretty cool.
I got pictures of it.
Oh, they did nothing with the bridge.
Confirmed. The stranger danger. This is cool. I like that gingerbread house.
You don't need to do that.
Little one, not so little one, very big one. Hello there.
Chapter 3, so there's two other chapters. I mean, wait, pause. Oh, they're making
One very big one. Hello there. Hello! I'm Wario.
Yeah, all this. But see, all of them, like this one's different. This is never more shiny.
So last year, Pompeii, I think.
They started using the sidewalk now. And then they just shine little lights on it. But we need to get something like these spotlights.
Yeah.